first time I sent somebody to prison when I was chief magistrate, the first day I ever had to send one young boy. You know, I didn't sleep. I couldn't even eat. I was just imagining what the boy would have been going through. And I actually went out of my way to go and talk to the prison officials to please put him where, like the carpentry. I said, put him in the carpentry. They have a carpentry. They had sewing. Put him in carpentry, I think I said, so that at least by the time he comes out of prison, he would have learned a trade. Another time, I saw all these women. Most of them had killed their husbands, killed their mates, killed their stepchildren, and they were sitting there in the prisons because I was on a special committee that went round for prison reforms. So I go round and you see them. There was even one of them who killed her husband, who told us that we should please try and free her, that she wants to go and do what? That she wants to go and marry somebody, to go and get married. The one you killed, like we were asking her, you killed one, you want to go back and kill the other.